It is high time I tackled the hard water stains on my bathroom sink. Oh my. You wouldn't believe it, but my sink is actually clean. I've cleaned it with peroxide, I've cleaned it with soap. It is really, really clean, but look at the stains. Oh. And here too, it's very clean. I've scrubbed it and scrubbed it and scrubbed it, but these hard water stains are just awful. I'm gonna try citric acid. I saw that somewhere. Let's see how it works. The technique I saw was to get really, really hot water. So we're gonna turn the hot water on and cover your area with hot water. And then apply citric acid. Let me get that up there. We're gonna apply the citric acid. Just dump her. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, you're supposed to wait for 10 seconds. I'm using this True Lemon, and it contains crystallized lemon, citric acid, lemon oil, lemon juice, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, maltodextrin. It's been 10 seconds, so I'm just gonna scrub. It does not look like it's working. It's getting a little bit off. Let's see. Okay, that did a little bit. Well, that did pretty good there, but this is still gross. This is still not coming off here. Okay. All right, I really do not want to use chemicals on this thing, so I'm going to try something else. This is just my basic H. Just takes a little bit of that. Let's see how that does. Oops. It does not take that much. Spread that around. Okay, let's get in here. This is probably about a teaspoon of basic H. Oh, it's not touching it either. See how the sink is clean? I mean, you can't get much cleaner than this sink, but it's still ugly and stained. That's not going to do it. Well, most stuff's coming off. That's good. All right, back to the drawing board. Okay, I've rinsed all that basic H off, and it's still stained. All right, so far I've used peroxide with dish soap. I've used citric acid, and I've used basic H. Now I'm going to try what I heard is good, and that is just some salt. Let's put that on there. All right, let's get the toothbrush out. Doesn't look like that's doing much either. Alright, this is getting annoying. I might have to pull out the chemicals. Alright, I saw somewhere where you can use toilet bowl cleaner. Since I use it for my toilet, I might as well try it here. Ooh. Think that might be enough. Let me just let that sit for a few seconds. All right, I counted to 10. That's about all the time I gave anything else to work. All right, let's go at it. Oh, good grief. Don't tell me this isn't gonna work. This is chemicals, people. Lovely. And be able to do open heart surgery on this sink. Do you think I can get the sink clean?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You believe in Mommy?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try one more thing before we give up. Good old-fashioned vinegar. I am out of white vinegar, so I'm just gonna try this apple cider vinegar. Probably gonna stain it more brown. Here we go. All right, and the one thing that we are gonna do is just let this sit. I think I've been a little impatient with everything else. I might give this like 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, vinegar, your 3 minutes is up. I'm a little scared to touch this because it doesn't look like anything is happening. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. And I said I wasn't gonna try anything else, but I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try leaving the vinegar on for 10 minutes this time and scrubbing it off with baking soda. All right, so I poured apple cider vinegar all over it again, and I'm gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Right, the sun is starting to set. So while the vinegar's finishing up, let me just recap everything that I've done to this sink so far. I've used peroxide in dish soap, citric acid, plain salt, toilet bowl cleaner, and plain vinegar. I've let each of those sit for about 10 seconds, but the vinegar I did 3 minutes. So now we're doing the final thing. All right, my 10 minutes is up, and I'm gonna douse this with baking soda. Baking soda and vinegar makes that fun bubble. Bubbly bubble. Okay. Now, let's see. Is it doing anything? I cannot tell. Okay, I'm just going to rinse this area to see. Maybe. Let me scrub the back. I'll turn off the camera. All right, I turned on the light because I'm losing my natural light. Let me get in here. It looks like this might actually be working. Hallelujah. It is. It is. It's working. It's working. Okay. 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 Good. All right. Let's see. Let's rinse it. Let's rinse it. I think it finally came clean. Yay! All right, so I finished rinsing my sink, and now it's all nice and clean. So in the end, it just took vinegar, baking soda, and a little patience.